Hi, here I have Lenovo Legion gaming laptop. Let's try to troubleshoot what's going on here with the CPU fan. So let me identify the model. It's Legion 5 17ACH6. So it claims that the computer has a grinding sound to it. I believe it's coming from the CPU fan, where the fan blade is scratching or scraping the plastic. That's where you can hear that grinding noise to it. Alright, so first thing first, using a Phillips screwdriver, we need to remove some of the screws here in the back of the computer and get the back plate off of the computer, and we can see what is inside of it. So there are 4 screws here on the top. Two screws in the middle, and there are 4 screws at the bottom. So the 4 screws, bottom screws, are much smaller or shorter compared to the top and the middle. Next, I'll be using a metal prying tool to kind of get in between that bracket here. So the metal prying tool is just to get the opening. Once I have enough of opening, I'll be using a plastic prying tool instead of the metal, because the plastic does not make any scratch. Okay, seems like the cover is a bit stiff to get out of it. Just take your time, try not to force it out. As you can see that the CPU fan is quite dusty and is quite dirty as well. So what I recommend to do is get an A-can duster to kind of dust it off. But before you do that, maybe go ahead and disconnect the battery by sliding it down. Now, I just want to explain a little bit of things here, because the computer is already exposed. You can see the internal part of it. Here you can install a secondary SSD drive, which is the 2.5-inch SSD drive. You can remove the bracket, install that, and you have yourself a additional storage. Now, if you do not want to use the 2.5-inch, what you can do is you can definitely install the M.2 drive, which is this one. There's additional M.2 slots. That way you can install that, but you definitely have to remove this thing first. Okay, once you're done with that, here is your M.2 SSD drive. Remove the screws to get to the bracket, and remove that to get to your RAM. Now, it looks like the fan is spinning okay. I'm going to do is to dust it off. Yeah, I don't hear any grinding sound. To remove it, let's remove. And if you hear that little clicking sound, that means you have reached its limit. And that heatsink, it doesn't come off. the screws that do not come off. So you should stop when you hear that little clicking sound. Okay, let's go ahead and remove some of the screws here. To remove the fan, I actually have to remove the hard drive bracket, which is additional work for me to do, but that's how you remove the bracket. And here is the original M.2 drive. Okay, disconnect the CPU fan by simply getting underneath that connector and push it away from you, so you can use your fingernail. You want to do the method push and pull if you want, if it's really hard to get out. Yeah, then make it to the point that it's quite hard to get out. I'll come back for that. So there are 3 screws holding down the CPU fan. To slide the connector away, I'm just going to push it out, and it's really hard, to be honest with you. I do not want to pull that cable because you can see that the cable is so skinny, and I'm having a hard time to push it out. It's really stuck. Why is that? Why do they want to do such a hard to get out the connector? Forget it, I'm not going to take it out since it's jammed in there, so let it be. Okay, I'm going to work with that cable being stuck on that side of it, and to remove that, so what we can do is we can remove the tiny little screw here. What I have to do is to take this heatsink out and go ahead and dust it off. So they do have these tiny little screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's 4 of them is holding the blade. Okay, looks like I can push it a little bit. Okay, there's one more here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Okay, so So the entire heatsink will just come right off, and you can see how dirty that is. So I need to clean all this thing off. I'm going to take it outside and do it. I'll do the same, remove 5 of the screws and get the CPU fan blade off of this and clean it off. Now, supposedly you can remove that connector, but for some reason this connector is really stuck in it. So at least I have no choice but to clean this fan here later on. I need to set up a vacuum and do it. So get a brush, clean it, and clean all this thing off. All right, that's pretty much the job I have to do for this laptop. And again, if your fan is not working, you can try to check the link down description below. I'll try to find you guys a fan replacement for it. Hopefully that helps. And of course, apply some thermal paste. They're all dried up. Thanks for watching. Until next time, do not forget to check the link down description below. If you find this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Appreciate you for doing that, and thanks for watching. Good luck. Bye now.